number one.
Close your eyes and feel the fascination of that great town. This is the